Well, looks like Sydney Nelson has been given plenty of chances to contact us regarding him winning the June giveaway for the Rainbird Sprinkler Timer, and unfortunately haven't heard back from him. So this is what happens when you don't tap notifications. So let this be a lesson to us all that you could be winning something that's close to $50, $60 and not even know about it. If you don't tap notifications, you won't know we're having a giveaway, and you won't be aware of it, and you won't be able to respond in time. I gave him a little extra time due to the 4th of July. I figured maybe being out of town or spending time with family, just didn't have a chance to catch up on the news. But unfortunately, we did have to pick a new winner. So maybe Sydney could get involved in the next drawing, and let's hope so. And there's always another chance. So we're gonna be giving away stuff every month. And this month we did pick a new winner. And this month's winner, I'm hoping you're watching, is Everything Home Repair. So if that's you, send me an email to H2O Irrigation Repair at gmail.com. Again, H2O Irrigation Repair at gmail.com. Everything Home Repair, congratulations. You won the timer.